I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the protective lens on a welding helmet. This applies to most types of Miller welding helmets. Okay. First, I'll take off this cover. It just kind of pops out. What I'm replacing is this plastic lens right here. It's not that hard. I'll take out these little slots. As you can see, it's super dirty. I haven't changed it in about a year. Pop it out like that. And then this little cover kind of just slides out. Now that's popped out, gotta clean it up a little bit. Well, this one's really dirty, so that's why I'm using my nails to dig deep in there and get all the welding crumbs out. Last thing to clean is this part underneath the protective lens. It's not that dirty, so just a couple wipes should do it. After this, just let it dry up. Alright, now that it's all dried up, I'm gonna install the brand new protective lens. I didn't clean this outside part because it's just gonna get dirty anyway. Take this off. Put it back in the little grooves. Try not to get any fingerprints and smudges on either side. So after you do this, you might want to wipe it down with a tissue or a microfiber cloth. Next, put it back. Just doing the reverse of how to take it out. There you go. All done. Thanks for watching my video.